and welcome! I'm on my way to wash the 20-year-old BMW, and this time there's actually nothing wrong with the... Oh, god damn it! So yeah, these trunk lid taillights need to be replaced. They are quite dirty as well, so this is a good opportunity to make the rear of the car a bit more fresh looking. Luckily, these parts are quite cheap. They were less than 30 euros a piece, so somewhere around 50 to 60 euros for the pair of them. And they do look a whole lot cleaner and fresher than the old ones. The first part to come off is this grey trunk lid liner, which is held in place with these plastic rivets. You don't have to remove all of them, just enough to gain access to the taillights. And for example, this plastic toolbox here, this can remain in place. To remove the plastic rivets, one of these interior clip special tools will come in handy. Alright, that's enough. Now we have access. Next to come off is this black box, which is actually the bulb holder for the taillight. There's a lever here, you pull it and that releases the black box. And next there is one single nut holding the taillight to the trunk lid. The stud on the taillight is 6mm in size, so the tool that you need is the one that is always missing, a 10mm socket. This is the plastic clip which held the taillight in place. The taillight wraps around the edge of the trunk lid. The taillight is then lifted upwards from this side, and with an adequate amount of force it comes free. I'm cleaning this area because I will be applying a little bit of sealant here, even though the taillight does come with a gasket, because water in the trunk is not cool. There is sealant underneath the gasket here on the taillight and on the trunk lid to cover both sides of the gasket. This is the new taillight, and first the lip on the taillight is wrapped around the edge of the trunk lid. And then the other side of the taillight is just pushed down. Next up, it's time for the plastic retaining clip and the single nut. And the correct tightening torque here is tight enough, but not too tight to break anything. And then the left side is going to be a repetition of what was done on the right side. Almost. Yeah, I said that this side is almost the same as the other one, but here I actually ran into a small issue because the black box would not lock in its place. And that was because this rectangular hole was just a little bit too small. So what I had to do is I took a small file and enlarged the hole a bit, and that enabled the black box to lock in its place. Sweet! Thank you for 20 years of service, but now it's time to say goodbye. Alright, job done, and it really does look a lot nicer and happier and shinier with the new inner taillights. Thanks for watching.